morning and welcome to Midwest Southern. My name is Mandy and today I wanted to show you one of my new favorite easy recipes for the whole family to enjoy. So yogurt, let's talk about it. Yogurt is great for your gut health and it's something that as a mom with toddler, I need it. I need to have it in my house at all times. So that can get really expensive really fast. But I recently found out that yogurt is so easy to make with the help of that thing back there, the Instant Pot. So let's get started, shall we? There are literally two ingredients that you need to have good yogurt. You need whole milk that has been preferably pasteurized. If you know what you're doing with unpasteurized milk, go ahead. I'm not here to judge. So I know that some people say that there's really great health benefits with that, but I have not ventured down that far. The next thing is the cultures. So easy thing to do, just use some yogurt. I know that sounds kind of counterintuitive because if you're making yogurt, you probably don't have any necessarily in your fridge. Well, we are almost out, so I told my husband he could not have yogurt this morning because I needed just a little bit of yogurt to make more. So pretty easy. I'm using the 8-quart Instant Pot today. That's the pretty much the standard size. So all you need is the standard Instant Pot. Wait till Amazon Prime Days and you will get a steal of a deal on that as well. And you need half a gallon of milk. I have my half a gallon, but I don't trust that it's actually half a gallon. So I do have my measuring cup and I will measure out 8 cups. 16 cups equals 1 gallon, so 8 cups today. So let's get started. Let me grab the insert to the Instant Pot. This little doodabby here comes out really easy. So just take it out and start adding your ingredients. So I'm gonna measure out my yogurt here with my 1/4 of a cup. And if it's a little more, that is completely fine. This is basically just so you have that actual fermentation from the yogurt and those active live cultures. And you want to do this fairly regularly too, because the longer your yogurt sits in the fridge, the less cultures it will have. And you need all those good cultures that you can get simply because that's the benefit of yogurt, right? So I have my 1/4 of a cup in here. I'm going to add my milk. And as I add, or after I add my milk, I will stir it up, make sure that that yogurt is combined. 3 cups. 5. Almost there, guys. 7 and 8. So I'm glad I measured that out because I had just a little bit extra. So the Instant Pot is great because it takes the guessing game out of the process. It has its own yogurt setting. So basically you're just gonna push your yogurt setting for as tangy as you like it. So it starts at 8 hours and that's what I like to do. My family doesn't like super tangy yogurt, but you can go all the way up to 24 hours, which is crazy, but it's great because you don't have to think about it. And this is not on the pressure setting, so I always get freaked out with the pressure and having a toddler and an infant. but I don't have to worry about that with this. And it is gonna sit here for 8 hours, so it's gonna be ready tonight. So a great thing to do before you leave for work in the morning or right before you go to bed. And then I'm gonna tell you a secret about Greek yogurt. All Greek yogurt is it's yogurt that's been strained. So I will take my strainer and line it with paper towels. You could use cheesecloth too. Pour my yogurt on top of that and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. And I have Greek yogurt in the morning and it tastes amazing. I like to add a little vanilla, maybe some honey, and it's good to go. So I'm simply going to add this to my Instant Pot. Turn on the lid, make sure it seals. I do seal the venting as well, although that's not needed. And then we're just going to simply hit the yogurt setting, and it says 8, and that's what I want. So I'm just gonna leave it, and we're good. It's going to start up on its own, and it will be ready. And let me know when it's all good to go. All right, guys, so my yogurt is cooking, and it will be ready tonight, and I'm super excited about that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna drink some coffee and ask you to do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe button. It's right below the little red tab. Just hit that, it takes 2 seconds. And when you subscribe, you'll be able to be notified whenever I post new content on this vlog. And I always post easy tutorials that you can save money with and have a great home as well. So have a great day, and thanks for hitting that button.